Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Roblox client crashing without error on your Windows PC guys. Before moving on to the video guys, don't forget to leave a like. First open up Roblox, press in keyboard escape key, click on settings. You just need to scroll down. In graphics mode section you just need to select graphics mode to automatic guys. After changing it, click on resume and check whether your problem solved or not. If you're still having problem, then we need to update your graphics card driver guys. To do this, you just need to right click on the start icon, select the device manager, expand the display adapter section, note your graphics card driver name. Now open up browser. Now you just need to search for the driver name. Mine is NVIDIA. If you are using AMD or Intel NVIDIA driver, you just need to type the name of your display adapter over here guys. After typing it, you just need to add here driver and mention your Windows version guys. Mine is Windows 11 64-bit. You just need to mention it and click on download. You will be getting an official website of your driver guys. You just need to click on it. You just need to check whether your system is support or not. Windows 11 64-bit minus supportable. Click on download now and download it guys. I already download this before. After getting download done, you just need to install it guys. That's look like this. You just need to double click on it and install it guys. After installing it, you just need to open up GeForce Experience like this application. In your case AMD or Intel like that. You just need to log in your account guys. I already done this. After logging in, click on drivers tab and select check for updates. I already update my drivers guys currently installed, and you just need to update your graphics card driver if there is any updated driver available in the list. After updating your driver, go ahead and restart your PC guys. After restarting your PC, open Roblox and you can play long lasting guys. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.